guys, welcome back. This is Alexander, and today we are going to drive a tram. Yeah. Alright, so let's go with one to Kombinat, and by the way to Mrożka, I guess. Let's go. Oh wait, let's do Mrożka. Yeah, I think Mrożka is much better than Warszawska. If I ever there, then I will absolutely skip stop. Yeah, seriously. Let's go. Alright guys. I really like my avatar because it's so cool. Alright, let's stop there. Before, oh my gosh, this one. What the heck? Anyway,
Mrożka.
yeah, she actually is absolutely Polish. So yeah, let's close the doors. I suppose this is something that I just logged out my old account. My mom did it.
Następny przystanek Wieczysta.
From now on, I have Robux. It was
Wieczysta.
1,500. Oops, guys, sorry. I accidentally opened the chat. Oh my god. Let's go to the last stop.
Następny przystanek Kombinat. Przystanek końcowy.
And this is the last stop in this track. Yeah, it's not this stop, but it's this stop on the left side. Oh, stop. Fuel. That was the clothes. I thought I'd get arrested for going on a red light. You know? Like, what is the second tram do?
Kombinat. Przystanek końcowy.
Alright guys, we arrived at Kombinat. Left.
Następny przystanek Wieczysta.
And if you enjoy my video, then I will show a video to part 2. And anyways, bye guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.